So today I'm talking about a U0415 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a U0415 code? Well, it's an invalid data received from anti-lock brake system control module. And what does this mean? Well, vehicles can have different computer control modules. They can have an engine control module, they can have a transmission control module, and they can also have this ABS control module. And when you get a U0415 code, for some reason, the ABS control module is reporting bad information back to the other computers. So for example, say the transmission control module is reporting that the vehicle is moving like 50 miles an hour, but for some reason, the ABS control module is reporting that the vehicle's not moving at all, or something along these lines. And so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And one thing about a U0415 code or any vehicle computer code is that sometimes these can be kind of hard to troubleshoot, since you will be dealing with computer control modules and wiring sometimes and different things like this. So keep in mind that sometimes these can be kind of difficult to troubleshoot. And another thing to mention is that if you do start to troubleshoot this and you hear the words CAN bus, all that basically means is it's all the wires that run around all the different computer control modules so that they can communicate with each other, along with right where they plug into each computer control module. And so what would be some possible causes of a U0415 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of power supply issue. And so this would be something like a bad battery, an alternator that's not charging correctly, or a bad fuse or something like that. So first thing, be sure the battery's good, be sure it's got a charge, there's no charging issues going on. You can also check the fuses and be sure that they're good, that there's no blown fuse, because the first thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of power supply issue. The next thing that could cause this is the wiring harness going to the ABS module. If it has a bad connection or anything like this, then that's going to cause problems. These ABS control modules are located up inside the engine compartment, so sometimes these harnesses can get grease inside of them or different things like this, and it could cause issues. And so you can't go check out the wiring going to that ABS module. Be sure it's plugged in good. It doesn't have any kind of grease on it or anything like this. And this is going to include all the wires running around all the different computer control modules. If there's any kind of open or short inside of any of those wires, then that's going to cause issues. So the next thing that could cause this is some kind of issue going on inside the wiring harness. The next thing that could cause this is an ABS sensor or wheel speed sensor. If one of these goes bad or gets some kind of problem inside the wiring, then it could cause issues. Usually when you have a bad wheel speed sensor, you'll get another code like a P0500 code or something like that. But it is possible that there's some kind of issue going on here inside the wiring or something like that that's just throwing everything off. Or one of these sensors has just failed, it just needs to be replaced. But the next thing on the list is going to be a bad ABS sensor. And the last thing on the list is going to be that ABS control module might have just failed and just need to be replaced. Like I said before, it's going to be located up inside the engine compartment somewhere. There's some different ways you go about testing these control modules to see if it has failed. There's some good YouTube videos on that. But the last thing on the list is that ABS control module has just failed and just needs to be replaced. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the U0415 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. This video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.